Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of this course. In this video, we are going to start working with Vectory. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's go ahead and click on Start Creating. Then here you can create new project, or instead of that, you can use some pre-made projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this project. Alright, as you can see here, we have a 3D environment with 3 dimensions. There we go. So far we were working on a 2D environment. However, now we're gonna dive into a 3D environment. That's so interesting. So first of all, let me explain to you some basics. If you wanna move around this canvas, okay, you can easily hold space on your keyboard and move around. If you wanna zoom in or zoom out, you can scroll like this, and you can also pan around with left click on your mouse. Vectory is a quite complex application, so we are not going to cover all the tools. However, I'm going to teach you the requirements in order to let you know how you can use this great application. Right at the top, we have some modes. As you can see, we have Object, Edit Mode, Library, and Comment. In Object, we have different options as well. Here we have primitives. As you can see, we have box, sphere, cylinder, tube, etc. You can easily click on box here, and there we go. You have your box. So let's zoom out. Pretty awesome. And on your right, you can modify some variables such as position, rotation, scale, size, and even material like this. Pretty awesome, isn't it? We have segments as well. So I'm gonna make it 10 for now. As you can see here, we have a gizmo with some arrows, some cubes, and some arcs, okay? This gizmo lets you rotate, scale, and move your object, okay? So if you want to move your object, you can use these arrows like this in any direction you want. If you want to scale your object, you can use these cubes. As you can see, we have 2 different cubes. The outer cube lets you scale your object in one direction, like this. And the inner cube lets you scale your object proportionally. If you want to rotate your object, you can use these arcs. Fantastic. So now I'm going to remove this object. The other thing you can use is text, okay? So whenever you click on this 3D text, you can see that Vectory automatically creates a new text here for you. And if you want to change this text, you can easily head over to a 3D text section, and let's change this to UI UX design. Pretty awesome. And I can move it easily. Here I can change the depth. Perfect. And also I can change the material, or let's say the color in this case. Pretty awesome. And you can also change the font. So let's look for Montserrat. There we go. You can change the weight as well, the character spacing, and the line spacing. When you're working with a 3D object, you need to render it, okay? So here at the top, you can see there is a render toggle. And if you hover your mouse on top of that, you can see that there are 3 different options: low quality, medium quality, and high quality. So I'm gonna go with medium quality. There we go. It has been rendered perfectly. Of course, there are some watermarks in free version. If you want to remove them, you can use the premium license of Vectory. So now let's stop rendering our text. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And in the next video, we will talk about the camera and lighting. So see you then.